Hi, I'm Carrie and I run Flying with a Baby, a family travel site. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the updated Emirates kits for kids. I did talk about them earlier on in the year, but towards the end of 2018 they've updated them. It's still with Lonely Planets and it's still the Fly With Me theme with all the different popular animals. So let's have a look. Without further ado, here we go. So for little ones, they've got lots. It's all animal themed, by the way, with activities. So this one is for little ones, obviously to fit onto the stroller or bassinet even, or the car seat. Little cute cuddly toy, and they've also got a little panda with a blanket. These are a little bit different because if you've been on Emirates recently, I know it was a fleecy type blanket in all different colours, but now they've got them themed. So this one is to theme with a little panda from Japan and all the pretty trees and things there. So a really nice little touch. It's quite a small blanket, would fit a toddler, probably a 4 or 5 year old, I reckon, quite comfortably. And obviously in all the seats you get the normal size blanket anyway. They've also got a big cuddly toy, again following the theme. Apparently this one is a really popular one, the penguin. And then we've got a little backpack for the little ones, which is quite cute, little lion. And inside this one, there are some stickers. There you go. And then, yeah, little map. So it's a stick and play map. And you can stick them all on there. So if your kids are like mine, they love stickers, so that would definitely get used. And it's great that you can take that off and reuse it. For slightly older kids, there's this little activity pack. I quite like this one because it's quite retro. If you're like me, you'll remember the days of when some airlines had these on, and then you won't get it. I can't get it out because I haven't got the pencil, but if you draw on there, then it's a bit like an Etch-a-Sketch really. So you've got that, and then you've got a scene there, and then some cards there, and then the cards on the back have little activities which are pretty good, and then you've got a pencil in there and a stylus for the little Etch-a-Sketch thing, and then you've got stickers, which, you know, that scene I mentioned, so you can stick them on that. So again, pretty handy. Then I've got a couple of bags. This one's got a little wrist strap. So the contents of the red bag, here we go. Oh, there's quite a few goodies in here. Try and get them all out without dropping them. Okay, so the first thing we've got is, I think that's the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, one of the tallest buildings. It's a little pen and recyclable, so thank you Lonely Planet and Emirates. And there's a little translator for Chinese, German, Portuguese and Arabic, so kids can say please, thank you, my name is. And then there's a good pair of socks there, again with the Burj Khalifa on. Then we've got some stickers which you can use to personalise the bag. They're quite tough, durable ones. Little flip and mix game. You can dress them up, and then there's some tracing paper in there as well. And I love these books. These were in the last series of the Emirates Kids packs. This one's got Milan, New York, Hamburg, Cairo, Hong Kong and Melbourne. So there's lots of little tidbits of information about the city, and then little puzzles in between. I think there's a little Sudoku game in there, and what else is there? Hieroglyphics and all things there. Very handy for me because my little girl is just doing a topic on Egyptology, so thanks. And then the last bag I've got to show you, it's a bigger one. And it's got some similar items in. Got the pen again, and there's a little luggage tag. There we go. This time it's a pair of blue and yellow socks with San Francisco on them. So I'm guessing these are route specific. I'm not quite sure, but it would make sense with some of the content. There's more stickers to personalise the bag with. And there's some little cards with facts about different modes of transport. And then there's puzzles on the back as well. And then we've got a travel scrapbook with little corners for your photographs in there. So there we go. Do let me know how your flight went and what amenities were on board your flight. There are baby amenities as well. Emirates do carry emergency supplies of nappies and baby milk. But do remember, if you need a baby meal, which is a pureed jar, or a child meal, which is for age 2 and over, when children in their own seat, you can request those up to 24 hours. Well, I hope that helps. Please do let me know in the comments. And if you're flying soon, have a lovely flight. Thanks. Bye.